Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can use the factorization method to find the value of x in a given quadratic equation. In a quadratic equation, you can either use the completing square method, the factorization method, and the formula method, right? But in this video, I want to show you how you can use the factorization method, okay? So solution. So in case you are given a similar equation in this form, and you are asked to use a factorization method, the first thing you need to identify is two numbers. You identify two numbers, okay, in such a way that when you multiply those two numbers, the answer will be minus 10. Are you getting it? At the same time, if you add up the same two numbers, the answer will be plus 3x. Are you getting it? So what are those two numbers? The two numbers are minus 2 and plus 5. Are you getting it? Because if you multiply these two numbers, minus 2 times 5 is what? Minus 10, right? At the same time, if you add up these two numbers, minus 2 plus 5 will give you 3. Yes, minus 2 plus 5 will give you plus 3. Are you getting it? So the correct two numbers are what? Minus 2 and plus 5, okay? So what you need to do now is, in place of plus 3x, you will impute these two numbers, minus 2 and 5, okay? So we now have x squared plus, the first one is minus 2, right? We write, sorry, minus 2x. The second one is what? Is plus 5. So plus 5x minus 10 equal to 0. Okay, note that the second number we have x, so you must what? Attach x to the given numbers. Are you getting it? We have x squared minus 2x and 5x minus 10. Okay, so let's factor out x from this given term. We have x squared minus 2x, right? So if you factor out x here, x squared divided by x is what? Is x, minus 2x divided by x is what? 2x divided by x is what? To remain only 2, bracket close. Let's come to the second one, plus, what can we factor out from 5x and minus 10? We can factor out 5, isn't it? 5. So 5x divided by 5, it will remain only x, right? Minus 10 divided by 5 is what? Is 2. Everything equal to 0. Are you getting it? So we have x and plus 5 outside, right? So let's put them in a bracket, x plus 5. Also, you can see that these two terms are what? Similar. They are the same, right? So what you need to do is to take only one term. Are you getting it? So x minus 2 equal to 0. Are you getting it now? So everything is equal to 0. Let's separate them. So we have x plus 5 equal to 0, or x minus 2 equal to 0. So here we'll have x equal to minus 5. If you move this plus 5 to the right side, it will give us, it will change to negative, okay? And here it will change to what? Positive. We have minus 2 here, it will change to plus when we move to the what? Right side. So the two answers are what? Minus 5 and 2. So these are the two answers to this given quadratic equation. So this is how you can use the factorization method to solve quadratic equations. So if you find this video helpful, give this video a like. If you are watching me on Facebook, follow this page for more videos. Share this video, drop your comments, and follow me for more videos. Okay, if you are watching on YouTube, subscribe for more videos. Bye.